Welcome to my home lab. Today we're going to install OpenMediaVault 8, the latest version, and OpenMediaVault Extras. We start our video on the website OpenMediaVault. See it here, openmediavault.org. We have also extras, wiki.omvextras.org, docu.php. All the information about OMV Extras for OpenMediaVault 8. We have also for version 7, 6 and 5. But today we do 8. We go back to the first website and download the ISO. Click download. Click on stable, the latest stable version. You click on it. You go to the website of SourceForge and we go download it. We wait a little bit and here we have the download. You see OpenMediaVault version 8.0.7 for a 64-bit CPU. We're going to download it and come back when it's finished. The download is finished. Now we can create a startable USB stick. To create a startable USB stick, you can use Rufus, but that's only available for Windows, or you can use Etcher. Etcher is available for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. I have both of them. Here you have Rufus installed and Etcher. We start with Rufus. You have the USB stick. We select OpenMediaVault 8, the one we just downloaded. You do open. All the rest can stay like it is. You click on start and you use write in DD mode. And you do OK. And it starts. You can also use Etcher. You select OpenMediaVault 8. Open it. You select the target, in my case a 16 gigabit USB stick. Select it and flash. So we use Etcher, but it's the same. We're gonna create our stick with Etcher. We have security alert, starting. It's only take a minute. Et voila, we're flashing. I come back when everything is finished. The USB stick is created. Now we do validating, but that's very quick. Et voila, finished. The stick is ready. Now we can put it in our server, change composition and come back when everything is ready. Now we see the screen of the server. I have put the USB stick inside server and started up. As you can see, we install OpenMediaVault. Click on it, change it, start up, et voila. We choose the language, English. We choose where we are. I'm in Belgium, so I choose others. Europe. Belgium. Then the location, I use United States. And in the next screen, I use Belgium for the keyboard. Okay. Now it's going to take a moment. I come back, speed everything up and come back if everything is ready. The next step is the host name. So for me, OpenMediaVault is okay. It's only for testing. the domain name internal is okay for me. Again, only for testing. The root password. Time, confirm. Okay. The next step is the partition. So we continue. And we select our drive. The bottom is my USB stick. The top is a 128 gigabit SATA disk. Select it. And voila. The installation is finished. We remove the USB stick and click continue. The system is now rebooting and start up our new system. I'm gonna speed up again until it's finished. As you can see, the system is now started up and we have an IP address 192.168.129.108. In your case, that can be different. As you can see, we have two IP addresses, but it's this one. If you see OpenMediaVault login, this one you have to use. You see here also, you can use OMV First Aid if you have problems, but that's not for now. Now we go to the browser and look to the new system. I changed to the new screen, as you can see, 192.168.129.108. IP address for the new installation. We have username is admin and the first password is OpenMediaVault. Look at it. See OpenMediaVault. You log in. Need that. Et voilà. We are logged in. This one we can remove. The first thing we do is to go to notification and we have updates. We click on it. A lot of updates. Click on the arrow. Confirm it. Yes. And again, we update the system. I speed everything up and come back if everything is ready. Updates are ready. End of line. No errors. Close it. And apply. Click on it. Yes. Again, speed everything up. It's already done. So we have a new system. We have notifications. We have a system required and configuration changes. So we need to start up the system. Close that. We go to the power button and reboot. I come back if the system is ready. Confirm it. Yes. The system is now rebooting. I come back in a minute. And voila. We are back. Again, username admin. The password, not yet changed it. So OpenMediaVault. And voila. We have a new system. We have user settings. Here we can change the dashboard. Click on it. You can select all of them, but for now I do only CPU, file systems, and even services. System time maybe, and uptime. Save it. And voila. We have our dashboard. We go back to the user and change the password. Change it. New password. Confirm it. And save it. And voila. Updated password. See it here. can remove it, and voila. Now again, we do a logout. Yes. And we log in again. The username is still admin, but now we have our new password. You can see it. It's only my name because it's for testing. After I remove everything from the server. Log in. And voila. So click on dashboard. This one. We have system. It's almost all the same like the version 7. Network. Storage. You see the disks. See, I have only one disk. Services. We have some LFS, rsync, SMB, and SSH. We have users. Again, settings. The users, but we don't have users. And diagnostics. In the next part, we're going to install extras. We go to the browser here. Here, extras. We go down. We have a lot of information. Installing OpenMediaVault on single board computers. EMD 64. A lot of information. Go down. You see the installation. Everything you've seen on the video. It's a very good extra information. You see here to view the IP address, the web console. See that? See password. Here you see that. Username admin, password OpenMediaVault. The first screen. Now we can start guide. See? Basic configuration. Change the password. What we have done. Also can change the workbench. Maybe we do that in a minute. System date and time. Notifications. To install an email account. The system. Also networks. Normally we have here, at last we have OMV Extras. You see here, we have a couple of options. We use the command line or PuTTY. Here we use PuTTY, but we can also use the normal command line. And we have here one command. We get /o, the server IP address, and bash. For the next step, I open Windows PowerShell, do SSH, root, and the IP address from our server. So 192.168.129.108. Enter, because it's the first time we have to do yes. And the password. This is the password. We did it on the installation. It's not the password from the web interface. Password. But it can be the same, but it's not needed to be the same. Enter. And voila. We are logged in with SSH to our new server. Remove that. So select the command. You copy it, go back to PowerShell and paste it in. See the hot command, enter. It's going to download everything and I come back if everything is ready. Voilà. the extras are installed. We can remove that, go back to the system, refresh it. Maybe better. Look, we have notifications, updates available again. Of course, it's the updates from the extras. We click on it, confirm it, yes. Again, speed up the process and come back if everything is ready. Et voilà. We are at end of line. Everything is okay. No errors. We can close it. Close everything. Et voilà. The system is now ready. See, you need a restart. So again, go here, reboot, confirm, yes. And come back when the system is ready. Et voilà. Again, log in, admin, and the password. There's no more OpenMediaVault, but password we have installed. Log in. Et voilà. We are back on the dashboard. We go to system, and you see we have plugins and OpenMediaVault Extras. If we click on it, here we can install Docker. I have done that in a previous video. You can find it on my channel. If we go to plugins, click on it. See, we have a lot of plugins. In the next video, we're going to install backup, create a backup, and later we're going to bring the backup back. We're going to remove the system from our server and use the backup to create a new working service. We are at the end of this new video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.